Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're going to show you exactly how to restart Windows 11 in safe mode so you can troubleshoot your computer safely and efficiently. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. This icon is usually located on the taskbar and helps you quickly find apps and settings on your computer. Step 2. Type msconfig in the search bar and select it from the results. msconfig is the system configuration tool that allows you to adjust startup settings and boot options. Step 3. In the system configuration window, go to the boot tab at the top. The boot tab contains options for controlling how Windows starts, including safe mode settings. Step 4. Check the box for safe boot. This option ensures that Windows will start in safe mode, which loads only essential files and drivers. Step 5. Click Apply, then OK. Applying these changes saves your settings so that Windows will follow the selected boot options. Step 6. Click Restart when prompted to restart your computer into safe mode. Your computer will now reboot with only the necessary system files, making troubleshooting easier and safer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.